All right, Supreme Court has now sent Navjot Singh Sidhu to jail. Supreme Court has imposed a 1-year imprisonment sentence to Navjot Singh Sidhu for a 1988 road rage case. In fact, Sidhu has now reacted after the Supreme Court's order, saying that he will submit himself to the majesty of law. He need not be arrested. Quite a dramatic end to Sidhu's career indeed. Let's have a look what happened.
A few months ago, Navjot Singh Sidhu was in the race to be Punjab Chief Minister. But today, the former State Congress chief is headed to prison in a 34-year-old road rage case. The Supreme Court has sentenced Sidhu to 1-year jail term under the charge of voluntarily causing hurt. The court rejected the review plea by the victim's family to add the charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. The court in its order said a disproportionately light punishment humiliates and frustrates the victim of crime. The court added that indifference to the rights of a victim of a crime is eroding the faith of the society in general. Sidhu, reacting to this sentence, has said he will submit to the majesty of the law. The former cricketer's lawyer thought the review plea was a rare incident.
The turbulence, a quietus has been given by the Supreme Court. This is a matter which is rather old. In fact, review petitions themselves were not activated for many months, almost under a year. I am so happy that ultimately the Supreme Court has given a quietus.
The family, meanwhile, has decided to welcome the court's verdict.
He has to go to jail, he has to surrender and go to jail. To answer आपके एक सवाल का जवाब, क्या उनके पास legal remedy है? वो एक curative petition है. वो curative डाल सकते हैं जी कि जो 5 जजों के पास जाएगी, 3 जज certify करेंगे, पर वो remedy is very rarely exercised.
The road rage case dates back to 1988. When Navjot Singh Sidhu got into an argument with a Patiala resident over a parking spot. Sidhu allegedly dragged him out of his car and hit him. The man later died. Sidhu was earlier let off with a fine of 1,000 rupees. Now, the maximum possible punishment under Section 323 of the Indian Penal Code has been given to Sidhu. From a humiliating defeat in Punjab elections to a conviction in the road rage case, the former cricketer's political career has hit a roadblock. For Navjot Singh Sidhu, a comeback from this point seems a tough challenge. Bureau Report, India Today.